Hello friends, welcome back to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence. This is the video from tools every coder must know, and today I'm going to talk about a tool called Trello. So what is Trello? Today we are talking about a Trello, a simple yet powerful project management tool. Trello is a web-based tool that helps you to organize your tasks, projects, and daily work visually. It uses three basic elements: board, lists, and cards. Using these three, you can plan and manage your whole complete work. It is developed by Atlassian and used by millions of people worldwide. So next part we will see how Trello actually works and why should we use it. So what does Trello actually do? Trello lets you to organize your work visually. So in Trello every project will get a board. Every board will have their task list and every task list will have a cards. So board, list and card, by using that you can create a complete visualization of your work. It helps with team collaboration, task tracking and keeping the progress visible all in one place. Why should you use it? To organize the teamwork, to track workflow and to stay productive and sync with your team. Once you start using Trello, you can see everything at a glance. Who is doing what, how far it is gone, and what is left. Everything in one glance you can see. So now let's talk about who uses Trello and for what. So who actually uses Trello? Freelancer uses Trello for organizing their work. Small team for simple project management, marketing, HR, design and content editing team to plan, track and collaborate. What is it used for? To manage to-do list, event planning, creating a content calendars and managing your agile projects. Basically, Trello is for everyone. This Trello can be used from beginners to professionals. Now let's talk about what are the core features of Trello. What are the core features of Trello? Boards, lists and cards. These three features is used in Trello to organize your work cleanly. Then you have a due dates and reminders to manage your deadlines and follow up on that. You have a labels and checklists to keep the things tidy and track the progress. Then you have an attachment. You can upload your images, files in the Trello. There are few power-ups, like there are integrations with tools like Google Drive, Git, Slack, etc. These tools can be integrated with Trello. Then you can manage your works. If there are repetitive works are there, then you can create automations. Okay. So Trello is basically a simple user-friendly tool where you can use a drag and drop functionality, and that makes the Trello more intuitive. In our previous episode, we have seen Jira, which is also a project management tool. Now, when to use Trello, when to use Jira, let's see it quickly. If you talk about Trello, Trello is a simple and user-friendly. Its visual layout with boards and cards will help you to understand it visually. It is great for a general task and everyday work, whereas Jira is more complex and powerful. It has advanced features. It is built for developers and software teams and ideal for a bug tracking, sprint planning and issue tracking. So if you are not very technical or working with a small team, then Trello is perfect. But if you are managing large teams, software development teams, then Jira is more suitable for you. So where is Trello best used for? Personal task management, planning of a YouTube and blogs content, event planning and tracking remote teams, Trello best fits. So let's talk about the license now. What are the different plans in the Trello available? First is a free plan. For individual and basic features, free plan is the best. You can utilize Trello freely. Then you have a standard and premium plan, which is for advanced features, like if you want to do any integrations, you want to change some view of your board, or maybe you want to add some custom field, then the standard and premium plan can be used. And then we have an enterprise, which is for the large team. So you have a huge team, then you can go for an enterprise plan. So we have reached to the end of the topic. So what is the takeaway for today's video? Trello is a visual, flexible and collaborative tool for organizing tasks and managing teams. Whether you are in tech or marketing or education or just planning your day, Trello works for you. So we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please click on a like button and do share this with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. I will meet you in next week. Thank you.